This repair video for the P0100 error code is specifically tailored for BMW drivers. If your BMW is showing up P0100 code, this is for you. This engine code indicates a fault in the MAF sensor itself, its wiring, connectors, or the overall air intake system. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty MAF sensor, dirty or clogged air filter, vacuum leaks, damaged wiring or connectors. Here is a simple DIY method you can try to solve this problem. MAF sensor. Carefully remove the MAF sensor from your car and do a quick inspection around wire. Inside often gets dirty and needs to be clean. You can spray the MAF sensor cleaner onto the wire perpendicularly to the ground so that it won't damage the MAF sensor. Reinstall the MAF sensor back in the car after it gets dry. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured in 1996. It is commonly found in vehicles like Scion, Nissan, Subaru, Lexus, BMW, Mercedes, Toyota, and Volkswagen. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.